What's going on, everyone? Is a little black star, aka DBS. Don't forget that. For today's video, I want to do not even a get ready with me, because I just want to do my eyes. And by my eyes, I just mean like liquid eyeliner, mascara, and my eyebrows. That's it. Because I just want to do that for today. I feel like another day I want to do like my full face, like, yeah, like glam. But I just want to show you guys the difference of when you don't wear the eyeliner mascara versus when you do. And I'm pretty sure you guys seen it before with yourself or on someone else. Okay, and I might just like talk about a little bit about the YouTube drama, which is not really a drama, but yeah, maybe share my thoughts and opinions about that situation. So let's begin. As far as my eyebrows, I already brushed them, and I used the Anastasia brow gel, the clear gel. I'll show you again, because if you guys watch my other vlog about let's talk about my eyebrows, I already spoke about this product. So this is the product. Can you even see that? But yeah, so it's basically a clear gel, and it looks like this. And clearly I cannot use another gel color, because hello, you see how thick my eyebrows are? Like, I would be a clown if I was to wear another tint color gel or whatever. Anyways, that's me. I appreciate my eyebrows the way they are. I already said that in the vlog before. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. I'll probably link it down below. So yeah, so I use this to keep my eyebrows in place. Done. Next, let's do the top eyeliner. Let's do that. Again, like not my last, because I posted 2 videos after that. The my eyebrows blog, I spoke about this liquid eyeliner, LA Colors. This is bomb. Like, this is bomb. I bought this at the Dollar Tree for $1, and this stuff is really good. Like, it's really good. And as I mentioned in the other video, the reason why I really love it is because of the brush. The brush is really good. It's very thin, and it gives you a precise look. So my daughter is currently sleeping. She's been sick since yesterday, but she's a lot better today. She had fever, and the problem with that is that she's not a fan of medications or anything like that, so it's a struggle, but she's doing pretty well right now. So already you can see a difference with just regular liquid eyeliner on top. So for the bottom, let's do the Marc Jacobs what is it, eyeliner gel crayon. And as I said in the other blog on my eyebrows, this stuff is the bomb as well. Bomb.com. do you see the huge difference just putting eyeliner? Huge difference. Like, you really don't need to wear makeup if you don't want to, you know, like, you know, on a regular day and stuff like that. Because like I said, like, there's women that they feel that they're obligated to wear makeup. Like, you know, like, don't feel obligated. Like, you're beautiful the way that you are, and if you like to wear makeup, that's good for you as well. But if you don't feel like wearing makeup, girl, don't wear makeup. Don't. Okay, so those are the eyes. Let's do mascara. So the other mascara that I spoke about, which was not this one, is the the Wet n Wild mascara. Is so good. I got it, again, I said I got it in the Dollar Tree for $1, and it's amazing. Like, I prefer it over this one. This is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it's purple. This one. You know what I need to get? I need to get the comb. It's like a comb to like brush your lashes. And then last, let's do the lips. Oh, so the YouTube drama stuff situation. Okay, so at first, kind of upset at YouTube, but at the same time, like, I understand their philosophy on why they want to do those changes, but it is affecting smaller channels. And so what happens with those YouTubers that are very close to reaching to their $100 their 100 goal? What is it? Threshold? I don't remember the term. And they don't reach it by the February 20th. Like, what happens? Like, is YouTube taking that money, or what? Like, does it stay in their account until they meet the whatever 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscribers? Like, what happens then? You know. But it is not fair. I feel like it's not fair because it's like, because of one or two YouTubers, you know, they filmed stuff that was inappropriate. Why everyone else has to pay? And a lot of small channels, because my channel is very small, but I'm grateful for all my subscribers, grow in terms of people seeing them if there's obstacles. And I understand also that back then with YouTube, it was like what their regulations, like their new protocol for you to be a partner. So my question is, why did they change it? Why didn't just keep it as how it was in 2011? I think that's what I read. Just should have just kept it like that. Because of this, there's people that are turned off completely with YouTube. Others feel like motivated, like, you know what, this is a challenge, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do my best. And that's the thing, like with YouTube, it takes a lot of time, especially if you're a parent. It takes a lot of time. Also, not only a parent, but a working parent as well. Like, it's difficult. It's challenging itself when you are just a single person, don't have any responsibilities, just work, right? But then you have a child, a family to take care of. So it's more challenging. It's more challenging because aside from dealing with work, dealing with family, then you have to dedicate time for editing. And there's people that are really into editing. There's people that they really don't give a single cent about editing. They just post raw stuff, and you know, to each his own. But it's time consuming. So imagine all these obstacles, and then now they're adding more obstacles. And I've read that people are saying that YouTube is just going to continue adding more obstacles for people not to grow on YouTube. So yeah, that was basically the drama of YouTube for that was it last week or the weekend or something like that. I don't know, what do you guys think about that? For lips, so for lips, let's grab, I'm not even gonna line my lips or anything like that. I'm going to grab this matte lipstick from MAC, and this is Velvet Teddy. And let's just put it on our lips. So I had a darker lipstick on the other day, and I mixed it with this. So my lips look darker. So my child just woke up. She's kind of grouchy. I guess she's not feeling too well. She's opening my palette. Don't touch the palette. So my lips are a little bit darker because I was using a darker lipstick the other day. So that is this beauty tutorial, eye tutorial. So that is my eye makeup. That is my eye makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed me talking. And that's my child. And so if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Oh, subscribe to my channel if you aren't, and if you are, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. If you have any comments, questions, any video requests, please drop them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.